In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect an iPad Pro to a portable monitor, what cables you will need, and how to troubleshoot common issues if the monitor isn't detected. Before connecting anything, make sure your iPad Pro has a USB-C port. Most modern iPad Pro model features USB-C connectivity, allowing them to connect directly to compatible portable monitors without requiring additional adapters. If you are using an older iPad model with a Lightning port, you may need a separate adapter. And of course, you need to gather the required equipment. To connect your iPad Pro to a portable monitor, you will need an iPad Pro, a portable monitor, a USB-C to USB-C cable that supports a video output, a power source if your monitor requires external power. Some portable monitors can draw power directly from the iPad, while others need to be plugged into a wall outlet or power bank. And then of course, you need to connect the USB-C cable. Take your USB-C cable and connect one end to your iPad Pro. Connect the other end to the USB-C port on your portable monitor. After a few seconds, the monitor should automatically detect the iPad and display your screen. Now, if your monitor has multiple input options, make sure the correct input source is selected. And of course, you need to configure the display settings. Once connected, your iPad may automatically mirror the display. To adjust display settings, open the Settings app on your iPad, tap the display and brightness. Select the connected display if available, adjust the resolution, brightness, scaling, or display arrangement settings. Now, if your iPad Pro supports Stage Manager, you can also extend your workspace rather than simply mirroring the screen. And then you need to use the Stage Manager for extended display. For supported iPad Pro models running recent versions of iPad OS, you need to open the Control Center, enable Stage Manager, connect the monitor if you haven't already. Your portable monitor can now function as a separate display, allowing you to move apps and windows between screens for improved multitasking. Now, I'm gonna share some troubleshooting steps if your portable monitor isn't working. Now, number one is checking the cable. Not all USB-C cables support video output, so you need to try a certified USB-C cable that supports data transfer and video. And of course, you need to verify the monitor compatibility. Some portable monitors require DisplayPort Alt mode support to work properly with an iPad Pro. And of course, you need to update the iPad OS. Make sure your iPad is running the latest version of iPad OS for the best compatibility and display support. Connecting an iPad Pro to a portable monitor is a simple way to boost productivity, enjoy a large viewing experience, and take advantage of multitasking features like Stage Manager. With the right USB-C cable and a compatible monitor, setup only takes a few minutes. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.